God, we just hold it and we go through like a G. God, we don't have time to complain. God, just help me with that man there. It's too bad. And we go through this for years. God, we go through the wallet.
Right now, you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away to you.
In every video where we see of this girl lately, she is acting extremely hysterical. And it would appear that she would have harmed herself. And we don't want that to happen. But this right here is how she reacted when she find out, say on stage, got contacted by the man liar.
Them brother just dead or them not sure. Them are going to identify the body. From your have life, you have everything. Father God, when me do the money, Father God, when me do the money, everything me try, the mother try me. Break me down, Father God. God, just give me the strength, Father God. Just give me the strength and the resources. I want to bring the man to justice, God. The man to lie. Me tired of him. Me tired. Me tired. Me tired of this. Me tired of the lie. Me tired of it. God, me tired of it. Me tired. That's what I want to be tired of. Me tired. Me tired. Me tired. Me tired. God, me tired. Me tired. Me tired. The man too lie. Me tired. God, just give me the strength and the resources. Me I beg you. Me I beg you, God. Me I beg you. Me I beg you. We go on stage and the man reporting and talk about liar. And it can't go. Me I beg you, God. Me I beg you. Me feel it. Me feel it. The man must up my life. He cost me everything. Me hate him. God, me hate him. God, me hate him. Me just want that resources, Father God. Right now, me not even care about no like eyelash, Father God. God, just help me and beg you, God. Just help me, just put all the truth on God. The mother too lie. It's too lie. It's too wicked, God. We can't take it no more. God. We can't take it no more, Father God. It's too lie, Father God. God, we need a liar, God. We need to this. God, help me just find this strength, God. Just help me just stand up on this. It's too serious. The man get liar, Father God. The man get liar. We can't take it no more. The man tell lie, God. Can't go over the other page. We can't go over the other. God, just help me, Father God. Just help me. Give me the God strength. Be tired of this. Be tired of it. Be tired of the lie. Be tired of it. Me tired. Me tired. Everything me try to do, God. Don't God, Nicholas. Me tired of it. Don't God, me tired of it. It costs me too much. It costs me too much. God just give me the strength. Me just emotional. Me just, this another sign of weakness, people. This a sign of hurt. This a sign of hurt. This another sign of weakness, people. This a sign of hurt. I'm gonna fight with everything what me have. I'm gonna fight with everything what me have. I would never tell such a lie on somebody. I have 2 daughters. I would never tell such a lie on somebody. I have 2 daughters. Father God. God. In any way, God just start show me. God just start work. God just show me your powers. Just help me now. That man is too bad. That man is too bad. It's too bad. It's too bad. God, just help me, God. God knows me not tell no lie. Me not tell no lie. God, me not tell no lie. One time, man devastate me. God, the man are too lie, Father God. The man are overdo it, Father God. The man are go too far. The man are overdo it. The man are overdo it, brother. The man are go too far, Father God. Father God, I know God picking them, Father God. I know you're picking them, Father God. God, you know I'm honest. I would never, knowing that if I have 2 kids and I have 2 kids, the girls, Father God, I would never, I would never, Father God, I would never, Father God, I would never, God, me help us. God does help me. The man are too lie. The man are too wicked. The man are too bad. The man are overdo it. God, in my power, me I beg you, God. God, me I beg you. Just help me. The man are too bad. The man are I behind too much. God. Because you know said the child, the little boy named Nicholas, senior, this is your last warning. I'm never come live no more. I am at work and the guy, I was informed that my live on stage interview cannot be aired anymore because the man go liar and the man come and the man file report. God, they are poor people. God, me fight too hard. God, me try too hard. God, they give it everything. God, they give it everything. God, I don't speak a lot, but God, you know when I speak, God. No, God, when I speak, God, you are going to help me to triumph and believe life bring me this far. God, bring me this far. And God, allow me to find the strength to talk. God, allow me to find the strength to talk. God know me powerful. God know this was not for me. God know this did not kill me. God, I am at work. God, we can't take it no more. God, you know me humble. God, you know me do my best in everything. God, you know. God, if anybody else in the world don't know, God, you know. God, you know us. He is fake. He is plastic. God, God, me not go shed no wicked lion. Yeah, I want a Panamania. God, I am so upset, Father God. I am so upset. Father God, with a charge of murder. If we never charge no other time in my life, we would have charged today. With a charge today. With a charge in this situation. You can't come with no details. They call us, you cannot come with no form of details. You just run off clap out like you think I say I saw this thing go. They call us, what color me panty them? What size panty me wear? What size clad panty me wear? What is my style? What is my fashion? What is my date of birth? What is my middle name? What me yard there? What the color of the house? What the grill? What me pick them name? Come with details. Come with details. Because you are so illiterate. Bad man, you're not get away with this. Remember me tell you, you're not get away. I could have 5 years. I could have 10 years. God, for you have life, you have everything. You know, because I tell us some problem out there bigger than what they have faced. I believe they come here today. I'm there with my co-worker, Father God. Father God, she not in more tears than me, Father God. Bless her, Father God, guide her, Father God, help her get the strength. Father God, she get a car, see her bread clot then, Father God. The girl mash up. The girl, she is waiting on the confirmation. Whoever God identify whatever body, Father God, she's waiting on the confirmation, Lord. I mean, I tell us, God, just give me the strength. I'm gonna have no time for this. I'm gonna have no time for waste. God, me hustle and me sit up on me hustle. No matter me I struggle, God, me just hold it. God, me just hold it and me go through like a G. God, me don't have time to complain. God, just help me with that man there. It's too bad. And we go through this for years. God, we go through the wallet. God, me lose everything. Me lose the golden lifestyle. God, me did not travel. Me did not make it. God, me up, God, I me not hype.
Though some people not gonna like what me gonna say right here, so me can't be biased. Me have to keep it real. And first, before me even get to that, me say this and make it clear. I am not one to victim bash. No. And secondly, I am not saying that whatever she is claiming did not happen. I am not saying that. However, I have to point out this. You don't realize, say, in the video we just play, it's like she's feeding off of the comment section. She's feeding off of the energy of the viewers. You don't notice that? It's like she's a impulsive crier. You don't get it? She cry upon impulse. Look, she watch, she cry. She cry, then she watch, she read, and she quiet. And then after she done read the comment section, she go back in her hysterical crying again. Somebody who really emotional about something, especially something like what she claim happen, now no time for worry about the comment section. If them are going to address something, them are going to address it and them now worry about what is going on in the comments. Now, you might not agree with me, but talk to me down in the comment section. That is just how me feel about the whole situation. Again, let me make this clear. I am not saying that she's lying, and I am not saying she's telling the truth either, but I'm just observing that it seems like she's feeding off of the energy online. Talk to me down below, people. Let me know about the things. See? This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, what you wait upon? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what. Don't let nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.